Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Shining Transformation. Your extended reading for today is your cards are the High Priestess, Death card, and the Eight of Wands. So, you have a lovely message here that there is a new beginning. Also, you're transforming because Death card shows there's a lot of transformation. You've been going through some ups and downs, whether it's in your relationship or your place of work, but it is showing you that now there is a new beginning, and this new beginning is going to take you to some heights. With Eight of Wands, there'll be a lot of work, there will be growth, there'll be a lot of work, and there'll be growth, and it somewhere. This in the High Priestess is definitely showing you that you know what it is. You're feeling it in your body. You can feel it. It is intuitively coming to you. Your sixth sense is telling you, yeah, there is something new coming my way. Yes, it's a change, it is a transformation. You might be little uneasy about it, but guess what? It is a positive change. Change is always positive. Just like a child is never afraid or scared of what new is coming their way. They are like very innocent, and they go through each day, each years of their life being innocent and so curious, so happy to know what is coming next. It is the same thing that how we need to be. Yes, as grown-ups, we do face and we feel them very strongly, the up and downs, but at the same time, if we stay curious that whatever is coming my way, so it is a part of surrender. I know it's not so easy to surrender, but when we have that faith, and we say, yes, I can surrender, yes, whatever is coming my way, I'm going to accept it, that is when your transformation happens. We all need to transform someday. We cannot stay the same. I'm sure 10 years back you were different than who you are today, or maybe even 20 years back, and so the changes will keep coming. What we need to see is, are we ready for it? So this is what it's telling you. It is also bringing lot of balance in your life. The High Priestess is showing a lot of balance in your life. You're really connecting to the emotions that you're going through. Maybe earlier you were not going through the emotions, but now you are ready to face those emotions. You are ready for that newness in your life, and you are ready to take that challenge. This is what Eight of Wands is showing you, that you are ready to take that challenge. Whatever you were going through now, it is something that you are like riding on that horse and going ahead in your life and saying, I am ready for this transformation. And this is what it happens. What is transformation? It is just like how it's metamorphosis, from a grasshopper to a butterfly, from a caterpillar to a butterfly. And that is what happens. Forgive me, I said grasshopper, but it is caterpillar to a butterfly. And that is the change. So, yeah, I really wish you all the very best. And I can feel it. I can feel that change. So, God bless you.